Hey guys, welcome to Regrob.com, and in this actual video, we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat which is of 3000 square feet. It's a project by Mahagun Group by the name of Mahagun Mezzaria, which is located in Sector 78 Noida. So this we have entered into the living room of this flat. Here is an attached balcony. Here you can see double height ceiling wall with centralized AC. Now here is the family room. Here you can see the puja room. Now this we have the modular kitchen. With separate utility area, as here you can see. Here is the dining area in front of the kitchen. Now here comes the washroom. Now this we have entered into the bedroom. Here is an attached balcony with this bedroom. It's a spacious bedroom. And now we have entered into the master bedroom of this flat. Which is also having an attached balcony. Here you can see the wooden floor work has been done in this room with centralized AC. And here is an attached washroom with this master bedroom. Now this is the third bedroom of this flat. With attached balcony. Skillfully designed spacious bedroom with wooden floor work. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. So friends, we have given you the entire view of this 3 BHK sample flat. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you want more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.